Guys, I was just trying to relax in Brookhaven, but it started raining. So I guess I'm gonna take this. Back to the village we go. I need to go home. It's raining too much, and I'm assuming that you guys want to see this. So I don't actually know my houses. Okay, it went up over here. Guys, it's raining really bad. I don't think I can last it. Let's go inside. Hello? Let me in. Wait, is this even my house? Yes, this is my house. So why won't it let me in? Okay, we go. Phew, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get dressed first. See you guys when I get dressed. So guys, I'm in my bed and I think it's time to sleep. I like reading a book before I go to bed, so let's go ahead and read a book. So guys, I'm reading this amazing book. It's about wolves. Amazing, isn't it? But I'm getting a little tired. So I'm going to wake up and get dressed and stuff. Because I'm doing a morning routine in Brookhaven. I was silent there for a little. Okay, see you guys in the morning. Bye. A new day. Time to wake up. Go to the bathroom's in my room. Okay, go to bathroom. First what I do is I go into dress up and I get a bathing suit on. I would normally take it off, but yeah, that would be inappropriate. So I'm just going to take a shower first. I need to take a shower. Okay, now what I need to do, nope, not that. I need to get my toothbrush, brush my teeth, scrub. Now what I gotta do is I gotta brush my hair to beauty. There we go, guys. I said I would brush my hair to beauty. Now what I gotta do, go back over here and I gotta choose some clothes. Ooh, these would be good. These ones, yep. Now what I'm gonna do is get dressed. So guys, this is my avatar for today. And then what I do is I go downstairs, and I got some breakfast. So let's see what we have. Ooh, we have some pizza, some chocolate. Let's see what we have up here in these cabinets. Guys, I don't have a toaster, so I just bake this in the microwave. But anyways, I have a waffle. And then what I do is while I'm eating, I come over here, sit down, and watch some TV. Wait for it to turn. Aw, that's adorable. I'll see you guys when I finish. Bye. Now what I do, guys, is I go upstairs and I do some of my work. Oh, wrong room. I'm so confused. I go over here and I use the computer. Since we have online learning, I use this. I'm gonna go to work. No, that's not my work. Here we go. I'll see you guys when I go to get my morning coffee. Next, what I do, guys, is I get a bag and I start going to the coffee shop. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm ordering right now. Hello, I would like a coffee, please. No sugar, please. Okay, get that right away for you. Okay, so she wanted coffee. Coffee. Don't tell her that I took a sip. So guys, I got my coffee. Have a nice day, sir. Bye. I didn't even serve you, but bye, ma'am. Have a good day. That was so weird. And there's someone in the car with me. Okay, and the dude who said I didn't even serve you. So weird. Okay, I'm gonna get Melanie. Let's see my Melanie. Melanie. Come on, guys. So, guys, next what I do is I come home, turn on the TV, and I drink my coffee. Now that I'm done, guys, I'm going to turn off the TV. And then I go and take off my backpack. And then it should be the end of the day. It's nighttime, so I get my PJs on. Now that I have my jammies on, and no backpack, I get in bed and I start reading. And then I read. Hope that you subscribe and like that video. I hope that you guys liked, subscribed this video that I worked really hard on. Make sure you subscribe and check out this game. I know I said subscribe like 3 times because we need subscribers. And guys, I'm going to be changing the name to our channel name to Gaming Roblox. So, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye. Snaps on out.